Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best, coolest Ryobi tools available on the market for their versatility, performance, and design. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a contractor, or just someone looking for reliable tools, this list has you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5. We have the magnetic 1/4 inch hex bit holders by Bepopo. This isn't your typical power tool, but rather an ingenious little accessory designed exclusively for Ryobi's 18V drills and drivers. What sets this apart is its ability to keep your most used bits within arm's reach. The design is compact and lightweight, ensuring it doesn't interfere with your workflow. It installs easily on the drill's right side, holding up to 4 1/4 inch bits securely in place. The build quality is impressive, crafted from high-strength PAF material that feels durable for long-term use. This bit holder is especially handy for those who find themselves constantly swapping between bits during a project. The convenience factor is unmatched. You no longer need to fumble through your tool bag or pockets. It's a great time saver for DIYers and professional contractors alike. While it's not a tool in itself, it enhances your Ryobi drill's usability significantly. However, it does have some limitations. It's only compatible with Ryobi 18V drills, so if you use multiple brands, this might not be the universal solution you're looking for. Overall, this is a niche but highly useful tool for people who frequently use Ryobi drills. If efficiency and organization are your priorities, this product is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Coming in at number 4, we have the OnePlus 18V Cordless half-inch drill driver, model PCL-206B. Ryobi has long been known for its reliable cordless tools, and this drill driver is a solid example of why. This tool is powered by an 18V battery and boasts a powerful motor capable of delivering up to 515 inch-pounds of torque. It's equipped with a 2-speed gearbox, giving you the flexibility to toggle between 0 to 450 RPM for precision tasks and up to 1,750 RPM for high-speed drilling. The design is ergonomic and lightweight, weighing just 1.5 pounds, making it comfortable for extended use. The 24-position clutch ensures greater control and reduces the chances of overdriving screws, making it perfect for tasks ranging from furniture assembly to light construction. The addition of an onboard LED work light is a thoughtful touch, illuminating your workspace for better visibility. It also features a keyless ratcheting chuck, which makes bit changes quick and easy. On the downside, the PCL-206B is sold as a tool-only option, meaning you'll need to purchase a battery and charger separately if you don't already own one. But if you're already invested in the Ryobi OnePlus ecosystem, this drill driver is an excellent addition. It's versatile, reliable, and powerful enough for most home improvement tasks. At number 3, we have the Oscillating Multi-Tool Accessory Kit by Ryobi. This 16-piece kit is an absolute game-changer for anyone who owns a Ryobi oscillating multi-tool. It's packed with a variety of blades and attachments, including wood plunge blades, wood metal blades, flush cut blades, scrapers, and even a grout removal blade. Whether you're cutting, sanding, scraping, or removing grout, this kit has you covered. The blades are made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. What stands out most is the versatility. This kit is designed to tackle a wide range of projects, from fine woodworking to heavy-duty remodeling. The inclusion of sandpaper and a Japanese tooth blade adds even more value, making it a well-rounded kit for both DIYers and professionals. One thing to note is that this kit is specifically designed for Ryobi oscillating tools, so compatibility with other brands might be limited. Additionally, while it's comprehensive, the kit doesn't come with a storage case, which could make organization a bit tricky. Overall, if you already own a Ryobi oscillating tool, this accessory kit is a no-brainer for expanding its capabilities. At number 2, we have the 18V multi-tool model PCL-430B from Ryobi. This tool is perfect for a variety of tasks, including sanding, cutting and scraping. What sets it apart is its ergonomic design and the claim of having the lowest vibration in its class. With 6 variable speed settings and a maximum rotational speed of 20,000 RPM, it offers exceptional control and precision for delicate tasks and powerful performance for tougher jobs. The build quality of this tool is top-notch. It's designed to reduce user fatigue with its lock-on button and ergonomic grip. The angled design makes it easier to reach tight spaces, and the inclusion of a battery is a nice touch. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for extended use. However, it doesn't include a charger, so you'll need to have one on hand. The lack of bundled accessories might also be a drawback for some users. Despite these minor limitations, the PCL430B is a fantastic tool for anyone looking for precision and versatility in one compact package. Finally, at number 1, we have the P1819 18V OnePlus Lithium-Ion Combo Kit. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for anyone looking to invest in a complete set of tools. The kit includes 6 essential tools: a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, and an LED work light. You also get 2 batteries, 4.0 amp hours and 1.5 amp hours, a charger, and a carrying bag to keep everything organized. Each tool in this kit is powered by Ryobi's 18V OnePlus system, ensuring compatibility across the brand's extensive lineup. The tools are well built and designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from heavy-duty construction to basic home repairs. The inclusion of 2 batteries means you can work longer without interruptions, and the LED work light is a great addition for low light conditions. The only downside is the weight of the entire kit, which comes in at 22.6 pounds, making it less portable than individual tools. Additionally, while this kit is great for beginners and professionals alike, it might be overkill for casual DIYers. That said, the value you get in terms of versatility, performance, and convenience makes this kit our top pick for the coolest Ryobi tools. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this rundown of the top 5 coolest Ryobi tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.